Assalamualaikum. So today our group will present about our project, which is Diagon Alley restaurant system. So first, my name is Nurbalqis, Atyra, Binti, Hisham. My teammates name is Syamina and Eryka. So let's begin with our project coding. So we have first is include IOStream, include IOManip and using namespace std. Include IOStream and using namespace std is for provide functionality for handling inputs and output operations. Meanwhile, IOManip is for provide various manipulators that allow you to control the format of input and output, such as setting precision for floating points number. Next, we have variable declarations. As we can see in our coding, we have choice, quantity, table number we declare as integer, price, total, and tax is we declare as float. Name, decision, bill we declare as char, unless we have choose we declare as string. So next we have set precisions. This line set the output precisions for floating points number to 2 decimal places. And then we have welcome message and user input. For welcome message, we have welcome to Diagon Alley restaurant. So for our user input, we have please enter your name and please enter your table number. So last we have a personalized greeting, which is the out hello, name, what would you like to order. So this will display a personalized greeting with the user's name. So that's all for our coding. So for the next, I will pass to my teammates. Thank you.
My name is Eryka Binti Rozainy, and I will start to explain the program. The program starts with a loop using do while, where it displays a menu of food items along with their prices. Users are prompted to choose a menu item, which is choice, and enter the quantity. After entering the quantity, users are asked to choose between a full meal set or an individual dish a la carte by entering choose. The enters input in then check, and based on whether they choose set or a la, the program calculates the total price for the order. Inside the chosen pipe block, if or else if a switch statement is used to calculate the price based on the chosen menu items. Price are multiplied by the quantity, and then tax 8% of the total price is added to get the final price. The calculated price is displayed as part of the order. The total variable accumulation, the total price of all orders made during the program's execution. After processing each order, users are asked whether they want to continue order, yes or no. The decision is stored in the decision variable. If the user chooses to continue yes, the loop iterates again, otherwise it exists.
My name is Syamina Binti Zainuddin. I'm going to explain for the next part. It output a message indicating an incorrect input, which is you entered the wrong pack. And then the user continue to skip that remaining statement in the current interaction of the loop, and then proceed to the next interaction. For the next line, which is total plus equal price, add the value of price to total. This is typically to accumulate the total cost of a price of order. The user is asked whether they want to continue their order or not. And then the input y, which is for yes, and any another input is assumed to be no, is captured in the variable decision. In this do while loop, encapsule the above code. The loop continues to execute as long as the user input y when prompted to continue their order. After exit the loop, the user is asked if they want to proceed another bill, and the response is stored to store in the variable bill. If the user chooses to proceed another bill, which is y, the program print a bill had the total price, regardless Regardless of the user decision about processing another bill, the program output a message indicating that the order is being prepared and thanks the user, inviting them to come again. So we're gonna move to execute our coding. So first thing first, click execute and then compile and run. Next, it will display welcome to Diagon Alley restaurant, and then the customer will put their name, for example Sarah, and then their table number, and then it will display all the menu that we have, and then the customer will choose what kind of menu that they want. If for example number 2, which is chicken salad with mustard, and then how many that they want, maybe 2, and then which kind of pack that they want, maybe set, and then the total for the first order it's gonna display, which is 46 ringgit and 1 cent. And if the customer want to continue the order, they can press Y, and then it will display back all the menu that we have. For example, the customer want menu number 3, and then for the quantity they want 3, and then it's gonna display what kind of pack that they want. If for example we're gonna put a la carte, and then it's gonna display the total of price for the second order, which is 93 ringgit and 64 cents. And then if the customer don't want to proceed their order, they don't want to continue their order, they can press N, and then want to proceed to another bill, they can press Y, and then it will display total price, which is the total for all the order that the customer order, and then the total price which is 139 ringgit and 64 cents, and then it will display please wait, we will prepare your order, thank you, please come again. That's all.